In this video, I'll detail how to remove watch face or watch faces on Apple Watch. So if you have varieties of watch faces on your Apple Watch, like this, and you want to remove them, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this level informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to delete or remove watch faces on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is drop your Apple Watch, then go ahead and take your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the watch app. Then one of my watch app like this, you want to click on the edit button at top right. Then you should see all your Apple Watch faces. In my own case, I have 14 watch faces. Then to delete any of this, all you just need to do is click on this negative icon. Then you should see remove. Then locate another watch face you want to delete or remove from your Apple Watch. Click on this negative icon, then delete it. Repeat this on all the faces on your Apple Watch to delete them like this. So once you are done deleting them, all you just need to do is come here and click on the done button. Then you should see my faces here having 7 just watch faces. And if you go back to your Apple Watch, type in your passcode, then press on hold like this. Then you should see the watch faces deleted on your Apple Watch. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's all I have now on my Apple Watch. So that's how you can easily delete or remove watch faces from Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.